So welcome back to Python tutorial, and in this module we are going to be learning about the for loops. So let's just say for.py and very quick. Let's just bring that up. I prefer that right here we want it. So let's just quickly do the shebang line without wasting time. Now Python 3. Okay, good. The for loop actually was basically like the while loop, except that it's just have a very list. Let's just go ahead and say list. So we have, let's create my list is equals to, so we are going to have a list of numbers. So let's say 0, 1, 2, oh my god, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. So that's okay. So it's very simple. We can just say for I. So I actually becomes so religious in programming that everybody actually want to use I to perform a loop. We can actually use any number like k for k in my list. So for that and that, we just want to say print k, and that should return all of the stuff that we actually want to pull out. So you can see it's actually return all of these values inside of these array, or sorry, inside of this list, as Python called it. I can just create another my list, make it probably name, so we can just have, sorry, John, we can have Dur, we can have Jane, then we can have Mary. So how do you actually want to get the values of this guy? We can say for I, so in then my list. So you get the simple idea of how to use the for loop. That you can print I, that you should definitely be able to get the name like that. So that's just the basic thing. So another thing we can actually do is that we can say import, I think we don't do import anything. We can just use a range. If actually if I'm not sure, for j in range, so I want to start from 0 to 10, then I want to say print j. So okay, let's just run that for quick. Alright, so from 0 to 10, so I'm having from 0 to 10 right now. So range is actually used to generate a number from a particular range, so we can say from 0 to 10 like that. So you get the basic idea of the for loop. See you in the next tutorial.